Hello, good morning. Good morning everyone. Happy day, happy smile guys. Guys, nagluto ko guys ng ensimada. Ayan, pahabang ensimada. Ito naman guys, Spanish bread. Para sa snack time guys. Ayan, sarap niyan guys. May kasamang Pepsi. Sarap ang merinda. Ayan guys, oh. Nagmi-melt pa yung margarine at saka asukal. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Spanish bread guys, yan. Sarap din yan. Tingnan natin yung palaman ng Spanish bread. Yan guys. Yan. Yung palaman niyan, ano lang, margarine at saka sugar. Ang sarap niyan. Yan. Merinda na tayo guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video guys. God bless us all. Bye-bye.